I just made a 2-minute workplace drama before my lunch break. And no, I did not touch a single node in Comfy UI. Most creators are out here dragging 50 nodes and losing their minds over workflows. But I just typed 3 sentences and let AI do the rest. If you want high production short films without the engineer level learning curve, you need to see how this works. Zucklore, folks, is a multi-agent platform responsible for creating and customizing different AI agents for various creative workflows. One of its standout agents is the Vibe Drama agent, powered by Dance 2.0, which allows users to generate narrative short films through an extremely simple voice chat interface. Now today, this is honestly gonna be my first try out doing this. And I've heard that it takes just a few minutes, maybe even less than 15 minutes, and not too many credits to get it done. So I'm really excited to show you how it all works. All right, let's go ahead and give this a shot. Now, all the links will be in the video description for zooclaw.ai. That's the website. We're gonna show you just how cool and easy this is. All right, so this isn't just another AI assistant. They're gonna help you create something truly outstanding. You choose your specialist, give it a task, and get your work started. All right, so first, we're just gonna go ahead and sign in. Okay, so right now we're on zooclaw.ai/chat. We've got Vibe Drama opened up on the team, as well as the assistant. And you can actually go ahead and hire different ones here, which is really cool. Things like AI, fitness coach, soulmate, SlideForge. But we're gonna go with Vibe Drama because that's the one we actually mentioned. So basically, it gives us an idea for a short drama. All right, so it's fully AI. So we've already got that one up right now. As we can see, it's here. We can see it, and we can actually go ahead and open up the chat with Vibe Drama right now. So here it is, Vibe Drama. Welcome to the director's chair. All right, let's get something going. So we're gonna pop our prompt in here. Create a cinematic 2-minute workplace drama about a young intern wrongly blamed for deleting an important company file. This is gonna be funny. The office turns against her until the security footage reveals the real culprit. Include emotional dialogue, realistic office scenes, etc. Okay, so the style should feel like a Netflix short film trailer. As we can see here, Vibe Drama is typing. They're going through the work. As we can see here, that came through really quick. We've got the different segments here. They're into it. Different segments. The power struggle, the workplace isolation, drama, a bit of a face slap hybrid. Yeah, I like that one. Really cool. All right, let's go ahead again. Let's go with face slap. Go there and we'll pop in that prompt and see what we get. Let's go ahead. Bang. Let's bang that in. So Vibe Drama's typing again. Okay, cool. So we're getting the episode arc, 4 episodes, 30 to 60 seconds each. We've got all 4 episodes from 1 to 4 coming through. So episode 1 is laid out, accused, all right? So this is cool. The core dramatic purpose is there with hooks at the end to lead us into episode 2. We've got everything. Dialogue, the beats, everything's here. So it's very detailed what Vibe Drama has been able to do here. I'm just scrolling through, taking a look, making sure nothing really stands out that we're not really happy with when it comes to the scenes. But everything looks pretty cool to me, I think. Yup, we've got the different characters in there too, the different props, the different scenes. Okay, so let's move on. All right, let's go. Cool. So I like it, you know, it's like we're talking to a real person here, a real agent. So we're happy with it. All right, let's go. We've got the rest of it going through here. Yeah, there are some recommendations, which is really cool in terms of realism and things like that. I like how it lists all the characters there too. Got all the different props. Maya Chen is the female lead. Derek Walsh is the villain. Yep, Linda's the supervisor. So we're putting together a film all before lunch break, folks. Oh, and this is really cool. Have a look at this. So this is Maya Chen, our first character, okay, who is the female lead. And check out the consistency across the scenes here. Different expressions. Different photo angles, but you can really tell it's the same person from shot to shot. This is Derek Walsh, the villain. You can see he's a bit smug. He's gonna be the cheeky guy, right? Kind of gives off a corporate office vibe, but again, you can tell it's the same person. And Linda here is the supervisor. And take a look, those are the subtle differences in the expressions and just the attention to detail and realism. Like, look at that necklace and the moles around the necklace and the skin tones. Really, really cool. So the characters are locked in. I'm excited to basically go ahead and get to the next step now. Okay, so these are the scenes in the boardroom and the office, as we can see. Very realistic, very Netflix vibe as well, actually. So they've actually really listened to that prompt quite well. Some really cool shots. I've got to say, geez, this is really impressive. It's all done. Everything's been locked in. The ratios are locked in as well. The quality as well. They're ready for the big video generation now. Should we lock in? Yeah, Pro 10 MP. Okay, yep. 16:9 landscape. Episode 1. Here we go. We've got the whole minute. Boo.
The final count that we have arrived at after carefully reviewing all of the data points in this specific set is exactly 47. which represents the total number of items currently accounted for in our records. I am still completely invisible to them. I'm still right here. 5 years of client permanently deleted.
I did not. Please, I need to explain.
There is nothing to explain. Helping the nest bed. Do not cry. There is a distinctly significant and highly noticeable difference between these two options that set them apart from one another.
Let's think about this one actually. Wow, as I say, I am really impressed. That's the best short film I've seen, put together in such a short amount of time. I'm ready. I'm here to see episode 2. I mean, that is really impressive. The close-ups, the visuals, the cinematics, and that's without even any extra edits or prompts or anything like that. I mean, this is absolutely unbelievable. And I'm just being honest with you, like, wow, that is really impressive. And I mean, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Did that kind of give you guys the Netflix vibe? Okay, so we're gonna go into the AI specialist hub here. Let's just take a look. We can go over to the TVC studio right here, who we're gonna go and hire. Okay, so we've got another one on the team, which is great. So we're gonna add some files and photos here. Let me show you guys what we can do with the TV studio agent. Let's add our assets over here. So we've added in just a little spray bottle type perfume here. Create a luxury cinematic advertisement for this product. Include dramatic lighting, premium slow motion shots, stylish camera movement, bold text overlays, energetic background music, and a high-end, a commercial vibe similar to a global fashion brand campaign. Well, let's see what they can do with this. Okay, nice. All right, so what do you guys think in the comments? Different angles, same bottle, really impressive. Because a lot of the AI agents I've worked with in the past can't really do a good job of keeping things consistent across different frames, which can be pretty frustrating. But they've actually come up with a couple of different segment options here between 0 and seconds. Ow, I mean, AI is getting so impressive these days. This Seed Dance 2.0 technology is unbelievable. Just the simple fact of that rotation and how it really does look like it's the same scene the whole time. In my opinion, this could just be a regular, real commercial. I wouldn't even say that was AI. That's how impressive this Seed Dance 2.0 technology is now, with these agents here on Zookla. Like, just ridiculously impressive. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'd be pretty interested to hear from those of you watching out there. And I have to say, folks, when it comes to the pain point of using Comfy Hub as an example for this particular note setup, it's just such a steep learning curve that we really want to avoid. And we can do that with Zooclaw. Okay, it's just way too complicated, much easier with Zooclaw. Folks, the thing is, you're trading that raw node manipulation for sheer speed and smooth generation. One agent covers everything, from serious indulgent dramas like we showed you at the start, to more serious work uses like we showed you at the end with that ad. Zooclaw really does make it just as easy to create these high quality, creative, cinematic, Netflix style dramas, if that's what you want, as it is to just go ahead and post on social media. Do you prefer fine grain control or the chat to finish video style? Try Zooclaw today for yourself at the link below. Use my exclusive code shown here on screen and also at the top of the video description. But hurry, because the first 20 users get 2,000 free credits to start their own blockbuster.